Are you warm enough? Way. Hala. Sobrang ginaw sa labas. May lump dito sa likuran ng kanyang ulo at sobrang sakit daw. So, hindi siya nakaka-move ng ganyan. Pumunta siya ng doktor and then we found out na Lola Karen gave that to you before but then it'd be too small for you. So, this will go to baby
Silly.
That's right. So, can you sing for Tita and Tito your new song?
Which one? The doggy?
Yeah.
The hockey. The hockey. Who's got the phone? Sorry, mommy. Make a doggy. Come now.
Where's the barn?
I think on this.
What are you watching now?
You come watch Princess movie with me and Bars?
What are you watching now?
Princess movie.
Wow. I'm
That would
cooking
be
rice.
nice.
What is it now?
That would be nice.
That will be nice, wouldn't it, Daddy?
Which that's one you like?
But correct, that will be
You
nice.
gotta lay down.
Good afternoon, everyone. Where are you going now? Shops?
Anak ko
Sobrang dilim na naman. Sobrang dilim.
So this one is it?
Lalabas kami, guys. Pupunta kami ng shops. Oh my God. It is raining, Daddy.
Yeah.
Hi guys, good afternoon. Welcome back sa channel natin. Happy Friday, everyone. It's 1 o'clock in the
I like
afternoon.
purple too.
And may papakita lang sa Daddy Mike. Show me.
You must.
May bago na namang sapatos ng ating Daddy Mike, guys. Sana L. Sana L.
Like it?
Yeah, I like it. It's nice.
What's this with your mum?
Daddy.
Doesn't matter really. You can wear it anyway.
Daddy, look.
Yeah, very good balance. I like this. No, I just like I like these for running.
Yeah. Grabe, ang lakas ng ulan sa labas. I don't know why we're going out, guys. But gusto kasi ni Daddy Mike. Hala, paano na lang to ngayon? Pakita ko sa inyo, guys, ha? Daddy, it's pouring, Bob.
It's alright, we're just going to turn it up.
Nak. Anak. Huy, are you warm enough, Nak?
Yeah.
Shh. Look at here.
I'm still coming in the
Here,
rain.
have a look at your face. Are you warm enough? Way. Hala. Sobrang ginaw sa labas. Where's your umbrella, Nak?
I don't know where the pink one.
Yeah, where is it?
This color.
Sa lunch break pala namin ngayon, kaya kami lalabas. Alam niyo yung palagi kayong nalalockdown, so pag may ano ka na, pag may time ka na, pag may chance ka nga na makalabas, labas-labas kahit na umuulan. And punta lang kami ng cafe. Hala, naglabas na ng kanyang payong. You have your umbrella. I like your umbrella. It's so cute.
Do you want to give it to Mummy? Mummy, go get the car and then bring it here.
Yeah, I'll do that.
Give the umbrella to Mummy. Mummy will get the car. And we'll wait here, and then and then Mummy will drive the car here.
No, I don't like to want to come to.
Yeah, you're gonna come, but give
Yeah,
Mummy
but-
the umbrella, and Mummy will pick us up at the door in the car.
I'll bring the car in because it's
She'll bring the car here.
raining. It's okay. I have this hood. And
Give it to Mummy.
It's okay. You can have that one, Anna. Close that one for now. We don't need it for now. It's so wet. Your bluey shirt's wet. I know because it's raining, anak. Dahil hindi ko nga alam kung bakit kami lumalabas sa maulan. Anak!
There's frogs.
What is anak?
Frogs, Mama.
There's frogs?
Yeah.
Yeah, there's frogs, anak.
Put the heater and sit something above.
Yep.
Nice. Your jacket's so wet.
Yes, it is. Look at the rain on the roof.
So wet.
Yes, it is right.
Yeah. Is your bluey jacket wet?
Yeah. No, I don't have a jacket.
What's that? Jumper?
Yeah, it's a jumper.
Yeah. Show me your hands. Wow.
There's baby dirt there.
Oh, man.
Dada, the dirt. Dada, I have a face, Dada.
Alam niyo guys, it's 1 o'clock, right? Pero tingnan niyo, sobrang dilim na. Grabe.
Dada, my face.
Ready?
Dada, my face.
So cold. Hello.
Sobrang ginaw. Ayan, so tingnan niyo.
Yeah, Baris.
Naka-turn on na ang aming seat para ma-warm ang aming mga lubot kay sobrang ginaw.
Mahirap.
Singing. Are you happy? Are you happy?
Yeah.
Give me thumbs up, babe, if you're happy. Yay. Alright, let's go. Let's go.
A few moments later.
Nakapark lang namin dito sa harap ng isang Thai restaurant. Guys, so dito daw kami kakain ng lunch. Late lunch na pala siya kasi anong oras na. Ayan. Earlier today, si Daddy Mike umalis ng bahay din kasi he needed to go to see the doctors. So, alam niyo guys, meron kahapon pa siya what's the word? Kahapon pa siya nag-complain tungkol sa may lump dito sa likuran ng kanyang ulo at sobrang sakit daw. So, hindi siya nakaka-move ng ganyan. Kasi meron talaga dito guys na bump talaga dito sa gilid ng kanyang ulo. And then, alam niya, sinabi niya sa akin na maybe infection daw kasi the other day, meron din daw siyang infection sa kanyang, sa kanyang leg. I don't know where he's getting all these infections. But sabi ko, just make sure na pumunta ka ng doktor para at least sure ka kung ano talaga yung nararamdaman mo. Kasi palagi talaga siya nagko-complain guys. Like sinasabi niya talaga na sobrang sakit daw ng kanyang nung lump dito sa ulo niya. And alam niyo kapag lumps and everything na sobrang natatakot na ako sa mga ganyan guys. Kasi meron akong sad and bad experience about all that stuff. Kaya sinabi ko, doktor ka agad. Kaya yun, pumunta siya ng doktor and then we found out na ang tawag dito, yung dito daw sa kanyang ulo, yung lump dito sa gilid. Yes, it's true, it's infection. So, diba nagpakulay siya ng buhok recently lang, so just a few days ago. Yung nangyari pala guys is kapag daw nagpapakulay tayo ng buhok, especially yung kanya is bleaching talaga, open daw yung lahat ng follicles sa ating ulo. Ganon. So, kaya siya na infection daw guys. Dahil doon. Pero sabi naman ng doktor that you don't have to worry about anything. As long as kung sumasakit man siya, then that's a good thing. Kasi ibig sabihin, infection lang yan siya. And then the antibiotics can fix it. Mag-aalala ka lang daw kapag may lump ka tapos walang sakit at hindi mo nararamdaman yung kirot ba. Kasi it's a different story. But yung sa kanya naman daw, since sumasakit siya, for sure infection lang daw. Tapos, if he takes antibiotic, then mawawala din daw siya. So, ayun. Kaya siguro parang yung dibdib ni Daddy Mike parang lumuwag ba nung sinabi ng doktor na there's nothing major dahil lang yan sa pagkulay ng buhok kaya ganun. Nabaguhan siguro yung kanyang ulo guys kasi never yan siya nagpakulay talaga ng ganyan. Like first time, for the longest time, maybe when he was a young kid, nagpakulay siya ng buhok na ganyan, pero ngayong adult na siya, ngayon lang, kaya siguro na-shock yung kanyang ulo. And yeah, so since walang major, sabi niya na can we have lunch outside? And since favorite niya yung Thailand cuisine, nandito kami. Number 2. B-I-N-G-O. B-I-N-G-O.
I like my plate,
Ang ganda na kanilang setup dito. That is so cute. What's that Tinkerbell?
Yeah, it's from Philippines.
Oh,
I have an orange cup
orange cup.
with flower.
They're all plastic.
Do you want your fried rice with chicken
Yeah,
or
that's
pork?
good plastic.
British.
Ganda ng kanilang guys, utensils. Gold, is this gold, Bob? Gold?
No, copper.
Tata.
You got a princess one.
Let's do well. Let's try it.
What is Paris having?
I'm just gonna get fried rice, spring rolls, and papaya salad.
Mommy, I want rice, Mommy. I want clean rice.
You want clean rice?
Yeah, here.
Don't have clean, Mum. We're just gonna get fried rice. If you like it, you like it. If you don't, you don't.
Yum yum.
What drink do you want? What drink for her? Juice?
What would you like, anak?
I want,
Orange juice?
yeah.
Okay.
I want small cup.
Small
Here.
cup.
It's coconut.
That's a coconut.
No, up to the top. Here.
We've got coconut. Ayan, yan ang ating drink, fresh coconut.
What's that in there?
Fried rice. That looks
Mama,
good.
what's inside in there?
Fried rice and chicken.
Do you want to try now?
No thanks. That's mine.
What are you having there?
Orange juice.
Orange juice. Oh. Thank you.
What's that, Mama?
That's fruit.
Have
some Tom.
Yum, 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 yum.
It's papaya.
There's some orange things that were like this.
Yeah, that's very healthy, anak.
It will make
This-
it grow like George.
Yum, coconut.
There you go, baby.
Yum.
That's coconut, Daddy.
Yeah.
Ito ay papaya, guys, with the...
That's not chicken.
Para siyang ano,
Hey,
Sarah
yummy.
ba sa
That's your. Yeah, it's your knife. You just gonna.
Thanks.
You're welcome. Daddy will eat too.
I got this.
Hi guys! Time check tayo. It's now 7 o'clock ng gabi. And ang ating baby girl ay kakagising lang from her nap. Anak, say hi sa tita nak here. Baba.
I'm trying to.
Shush! Diretso siya agad sa kanyang laruan. I have chocolate ice cream nak.
Okay.
How about you say hi here first? No, tita and tito might want one.
Okay, which Tito doing this?
Naabutan niya ako dito sa kwarto na to guys kasi pagkatapos kong mag-work kanina pumunta ako agad dito sa loob ng kwarto kasi yun ang nga plano ko. I want to declutter nga kasi diba magpapadala ako ng box sa Pilipinas. So yung mga gamit-gamit ilalagay ko na sa gilid ganun para alam ko na kung ano yung ilalagay ko sa loob ng box. And also yung mga bagay guys na yung mapakinabangan ko ba I took photos para ibenta. So katulad nito for example. So ito siya, itong boots na to. So I love this boots. Thank you sweetheart.
For you, I'll make
Chocolate.
it.
Yum yum.
I want some.
Yum, yum, yum. So, I super love these boots. Tingnan nyo, guys. But, you know, already, I'm pregnant. So, I can't really wear this for now. And then, hindi ko naman to siya mapapadala sa Pilipinas. Kasi sino naman yung magsusuot nito sa Pilipinas, diba? So, for sure, like, kung susuotin nyo to sa Pilipinas, like, pagtitinginan kayo ng mga tao at kung hindi man, sobra kayong pagpapawisan nito. Kasi, sobrang init na tapos nag-boots-boots ka pa. Diba? Oh, yummy. So, ayan. So, I'm size 6. Tingnan nyo. So, ayan. Sobrang bago pa to siya. Kaya, yun yung ginawa ko. I took photos ng mga boots, yung mga jackets, yung mga winter stuff na pwede kong mabenta na hindi ko na sinusuot. Hindi ko ginagamit. Para, ano naman, balik cash, diba? Nak, babe, what is that? Nak? Ice cream. Ice cream. Ay, whoosh! And I like taking photos here, guys, kasi meron tayong vanity, right? So, sobrang ganda talaga ng lighting. And you know na, if you are selling online, you have to make sure na maganda yung photos mo para marami kang mahalina ng mga customers, diba? Diba, anak?
Mommy, whose shoes that?
Show me. Which one?
This one.
Oh, you know what? Lola Karen gave that to you before, but then it'd be too small for you, so this will go to baby.
Silly.
That's right. So
Mama?
this goes to baby Celine now.
My kid just put on my
Sobrang
feet,
cute.
Mama.
Huh? This is too small na, anak.
I just showed you.
Yeah, your foot's too big na. Because you're a big girl. Tingnan natin. Sige. Try. Kumagko, rumigo, anak. Baby Celine, anak.
That's my sleigh.
Ni. Na. Baby Celine.
I was thinking.
See, too small, yeah? At gusto ko rin, guys, na pag nag-move kami ng Brisbane, walang masyadong dala. So, kaya nga, yung bags ko, lahat talaga dinideclutter ko. Yung mga, ano na lang, yung mga gustong-gusto ko talagang iwan.
Mama, I
Yung
want to
iniiwan
read the
dito.
book, Mama.
You wanna read the book? Okay, bring me the book. I'll read it for you. Which one?
I like this one, the dogs.
The dogs? Okay, go.
You can cut it, Mama.
Do you know how to read?
You can read it.
I said you can read it. Give me the shoes, babe. We'll put it back in the... I'll put it now. Okay. Paris wants to read the book. Oh, actually pala nag-order kami. What did we order na? What is that?
A pizza.
Pizza. Kasi pagkagising niya, sabi niya kaagad nagutom siya. And then I offered food na meron kami. Ayaw niya.
Read it.
She wants pizza. Yeah. Kaya magpipizza. Ay, hindi, maliit lang yung pizza na binili ko. Kasi
Mama.
mostly para sa kanya.
Mama.
Kasi meron naman kaming
Mama.
dinner.
Mama.
Yes, anak. Magluluto lang ako ng rice. And meron kaming mince na ano.
Read, Mama, please.
I'll read. Okay.
I like to read this.
Alright. My story begins in London, where I lived with my pet, Roger Radcliffe. Roger was a songwriter and we lived in a bachelor flat near Regent's Park. My name is Pongo. I'm the one with the spots looking out the window. Where's Pongo na? Nah. Looking out the window na. This one.
Why are you looking the window?
Well, he's looking what's going on outside. Gustong-gusto niya talaga mag-reading book, guys.
Mommy, what's
Kasi yung
that,
baby pa siya, kahit hindi pa siya nakakapagsalita,
Mommy,
binabasahan
what's that,
talaga
Mama?
namin to siya
I'm
ng book.
reading it now.
This one, okay. As far as I could see,
What's that, Mama?
that's a lady.
I see the lady today. From that
Which one?
train today. I was going there today.
Well, you didn't go to the train today.
Yes, I did. I see the lady from the one.
Really?
Yeah, I did.
Oh, okay. I didn't know that. Where was I? Where was Mama? Why didn't I know that?
Because it was reading that.
Mm.
See, there's a purple dress.
Chica.
There's a purple dress, white flower up at the top, and purple hat,
Purple hat.
and black shoes.
And black shoes. Ang ating baby Celine ay joining din. Oh, sobrang kicking din. As far as I could see, a bachelor's life was downright dull. So when I saw the perfect dog walk by with a lovely lady, it was a dream come true. I grabbed my leash and barked loudly. Ruff! Ruff! Roger understood and took me out. Can you sing for Tita and Tito your new song?
Which one? The doggy?
Yeah.
Doggy. Doggy. Who's got the phone? Salad, salad, mommy, make a doggy. Come now.
Where's the bone?
I think on it.
Where is the bun, Paris?
Did you get pizza? Did you get pizza, honey?
Huh?
Yeah. Is it there now?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay.
Wow.
I'm reading the book.
Okay.
Why does the lady on the oven?
As I pulled Roger along, he asked me, Pongo, old boy, what's the hurry?
That's a big dog.
A really big dog, isn't it?
Yeah, that's the smaller dogs.
But they all have spots.
Mommy?
Magluluto na tayo ng ating rice kasi kakarating lang ng pizza. Huh?
How long has it been there?
I just received the message saying that I'm outside. Why? Why? Show me, Daddy Bear. Show me quickly. Show Mommy, Nak Bear. What did we get? Huh? Come here. Show to Mama. Magluto tayo, guys. 2 baso.
Come on, Mommy. Come on, Mommy. Come on, Mommy.
Where is it?
It's in the one basket.
Where?
Come on.
Okay, I'll come. I'll come. Let me just put this. Let me just put this in the one. Cooking is because we have to cook the rice. Ah, Mama will come now. Mama will follow. I promise.
Okay.
I'll come. I promise. Let me just cook the rice first, okay?
And some cheese inside.
Wow, so yummy.
Do you want to have a try?
Yeah, I'll have a try, please.
Okay.
Yung maliit
You
lang
got it, Ma. You got it. Because you're a good girl.
Because I'm a good girl? Okay. Is that why I'm having one? Because I'm a good girl?
Cute.
Mmm.
That's so yummy.
Yummy?
Are you gonna come watch a movie with me in Paris?
Mmm.
Huh?
What are you watching now?
You gonna come watch a princess movie with me in Paris?
What are you watching now?
Princess movie.
Wow. I'm
That would
cooking
be
rice.
nice.
What is it now?
That would be nice.
That will be nice, wouldn't it, Daddy?
Which daddy one you like?
What a correct. That will be
You're
nice.
gonna lay down.
What is it, Dak?
One later on here.
I will lie down with you. Have a look, guys. Tingnan yung ginawa nila, oh.
They don't stand here.
Nag-bed sila. Naglagay-lagay sila ng ganyan sa floor. Manonood kami ng ng princess movie for baby Paris.
Yeah, I'm going to make it.
Ay, gosh, you very like it. Ayan.
Okay, mommy.
Nood-nood. Nood-nood pag may time. Sobrang lapit sa TV. Ah. Daddy, we should move this table there. So we're not too close to the screen. Ayan.
A few moments later.
Worst pinky finds me. This may be the worst idea I've ever had. And that's really saying something.
Daddy's sleeping. Are you enjoying that? Dito pa rin kami sa sahig.
I got you. You're safe. I know this.
Anak! Anak! Anak!
Look at my face. My face is purple.
Yours is purple. It's dark. Watch na.